Alright guys, here we are back again. I'm going to put a toilet seat on. So what it does is tell you to first measure from the holes all the way to the edge, okay? You can use this measuring tape on the side of the box if you want. If we were to move this over, it's right on the money. Alright. So this is pretty simple procedure, okay? So you're gonna line this up to this part. See it on the side, right? These flip open, these flip up. You're gonna line these up with the holes just like that. Right. First, I'm gonna show you how these go. So once you put the toilet seat on, you're gonna have this. It's gonna go underneath, right side up like that. Like that, okay? Like that. So we'll go like this, have it lined up. This on top, this underneath. Just get it started first. You don't want to do it too tight, you could break the porcelain. Lock this down. So that's it. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.